Hello, welcome back to my page. This is Haniel and today we want to make together pizza dough. First of all, I activated my yeast. I'm adding to my bowl like this. Well, we need flour, water and little bit salt. 2 cups of flour we need, but first of all I'm mixing my activated yeast with water. It's enough. We should mix it well. And after that we should add our flour and mix it well. We need more flour. Ta-da! Mix it well, mix. I think this needs more water. Little bit water. Okay, at this level we should rest our dough for 30 minutes. We need 30 minutes resting for our dough, for our Italian pizza dough. That's it. Let it rest. I put the lid and put it aside for 30 minutes resting. Well, this is the first 30 minutes resting that I want to show you the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. It means our dough is activated well and we need 2 more resting time. Now I want to knead and coil and fold my dough for resting better and having so much fluffy with bubbles inside of that as Italian dough. Well, first of all, for stop sticking of this dough to my hands, I little bit put water. I put a bowl of water beside of my hand and I put water like this. Coil and fold this dough. Look, it must be sticky because the hydration of this dough is little bit high. Like this. Again, look, we stretch and put it back to my dough like here as I show you, and we mix it well. Again, we should repeat this work for around 5 to 10 minutes because the glutens will be ready and will be free and become so much smoother with a lot of bubbles like here. Okay, now it's time to rest for second time for 30 minutes. This is our semolina. Finally, I opened that. Well, now I put little bit of this semolina here under my pizza dough. With little bit more semolina flour, I open up this dough. Also, you can put a bowl of water beside of you and make wet your hands. We should open up a little bit more. That's it. Well, Now I put it in this spatula like this, and it should be little bit rested for putting some toppings. First of all, we need cheese, jambon, and this sauce. This one is a little bit big for this jar. We need cheese, mozzarella cheese, or whatever you want. You just cut like this, as you see. And we can make it to small cubes like this. As you can see here, I put my cheese here. Maybe we need more cheese because I love cheese. And after that, I put my salami on top of this amazing pizza. Well, now it's time to go inside the oven. This is my stone oven, as I told you before, and with this spatula I can easily put it inside of this stone. Ta-da! Our pizza is ready. Look! With that crust, now I want to cut for you. Chickily-pickily-coo. This is our amazing pizza that you can make easily at home and enjoy with your beloved one. Let me cut for you to see the texture of this dough. Super amazing. Amazing, amazing. Please make at home, please.